Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to install the Web Server IIS Internet Information Services in Microsoft Windows Server 2019 operating system. Click on Windows Start menu and then select Server Manager. Server Manager, Dashboard, select Add Roles and Features. Add Roles and Features wizard, click Next. Install Web Server IIS installation type, leave role-based or feature-based installation, selected, and then click Next. Server selection. Select a server from the server pool and then click Next. From the Select Server Roles tab, select the checkbox next to Web Server IIS. A new window will pop up that additional features are required. Simply click the Add Features button to install these as well. Select Server Roles Web Server as selected, click Next. We will not be installing any additional features at this stage. Click Next on the Select Features window. Click Next. Enable Web Server IIS Select Role Services, the window you can install additional services for IIS if required. Then click Next. Confirm installation selections, review the items that are to be installed and then click Install when you are ready to proceed with installing the IIS Web Server. No reboot required. The installation has succeeded, then click the Close button. Use the Windows PowerShell Command Line Interface, CLI, instead. Follow these steps. Open the PowerShell with admin rights and then run the Install Windows feature CMD as shown below. Then enter command IIS Web Server Start Installation. Web Server feature successfully enabled. Here we go. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.